Onua, what to say? So in our last lesson, we looked at a number of ways to thank and express appreciation to people for what they've done for us. Alright, if you missed that lesson, there's a link further below. Please click on it to go and check it out. But for those who took that lesson, this lesson continues that. So in this lesson, we are looking at how to respond to people's Thanksgiving messages. Okay, so when somebody thanks you, how do you respond? When somebody shows appreciation for something you did for him or her, how do you respond? That's what we are looking at in this lesson. Coming right up. Right, so as a response to a thank you, meda ase. Okay, maybe the person also did something for you, so you can respond with menso meda ase. I also thank you. Okay, menso meda ase. Menso meda ase. Menso meda ase. Or if you are thanking back on behalf of you and another person or other people, then you would say yenso yeda ase. We also thank you. Okay? Yenso yeda ase. Yenso yeda ase. And if I'm thanking not just you, but you and another person, or you and other people, then I would say menso meda ase. You plural. Okay? Menso meda ase. Menso meda ase. Or I can go with the short form. So I have menso medase. Menso medase. Menso medase. Menso medase. Okay? Next, we have enase. 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 And this is very common, I think, even in English, right? So this is what you say as don't mention it. Okay? No need to thank, right? So we have enase. Don't thank. Okay? Enase. 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 Okay? Or aseda niho. Aseda niho. Aseda niho. Okay? Aseda niho. There is no thanksgiving. Okay? There is no need to thank. Alright? Aseda niho. Or mene wo ni aseda. Mene wo ni aseda. Mene wo ni aseda. I and you, or you and I, don't do thanks. Okay, so between you and I, we don't do thanks. Right? So we are that cool. Mene wo ni aseda. Mene wo ni aseda. Mene wo ni aseda. Next, you can just say it's nothing, just like in English, right? So you say enye she. Enye she. Okay? We go to the next one and we have eye me eni chie se metumi boa wo. ɛyɛ me anigye sɛ metumi boa wo. Ɛyɛ me anigye sɛ metumi boa wo. Ɛyɛ me anigye sɛ metumi boa wo. Okay, I'm happy that I was able to help you. Okay, ɛyɛ me anigye sɛ metumi boa wo, or ɛyɛ me anigye sɛ metumi boa ye. Okay, if I don't want to bring the wo. Okay, ɛyɛ me anigye sɛ metumi boa ye. Ɛyɛ me anigye sɛ metumi boa ye. Okay, next we have yɛmfa aseda no ma Awurade. 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 So again, we can switch Awurade with any of the other names for God, right? So we can have, for instance, yɛmfa aseda no ma Nyankopɔn. Yɛmfa aseda no ma Nyankopɔn. Okay? Or yɛmfa aseda no ma Nyame. Yɛmfa aseda no ma Nyame. Or yɛmfa aseda no ma Yehowa. Yɛmfa aseda no ma Yehowa, and on and on. All right? And for the last one, we have aseda ye Awurade dia. Aseda ye Awurade dia. Aseda ye Awurade dia. Aseda ye Awurade dia. Okay? Or aseda ye Onyankopɔn dia. Aseda ye Onyankopɔn dia. Aseda ye Nyame dia. Aseda ye Nyame dia. Aseda ye Oboadie no dia. Aseda ye Oboadie no dia. Aseda ye Oboadie no dia. Okay? Right, so this is where we end today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you found this lesson useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share. Alright? I'll see you guys next time.